What's happening, everybody? Y'all know what time it is. Yep, it's Mahlon, Tane, and I have Big Boy in Turkey helping me out today with this. Yep, y'all see the symbol, logo, whatever you want to call it. We're having an issue with this C-class, and the issue is basically the ESP and the BAS my bad, y'all. I had to turn that AC off. It takes a while for it to go off on this one, but anyway, so yeah, we've been having issues with this ESP and this BAS, and so ended up getting this part. We're gonna test it out, try it out, and you know, hopefully it works out. But let's get at it. We're gonna start off turning off the vehicle, and I'm gonna have Big Boy disconnect the batteries, okay? Because we are replacing the electrical component. So let's go on and go outside. And let's blow the scooter home. Hey, Big Boy, disconnect the battery from me. Let's see if Big Boy can do it, y'all. Now we do have a brand new Duralast battery on here. We got both of the rods on brand new batteries. So I ain't gotta worry about it later on. Is he struggling, y'all? Is he struggling? No, he's struggling, y'all. You weak, man? Turkey, go help your brother out, man. Yeah, eat his Wheaties. Oh man, we got two of them over here, man. AMG. Do I need to do it? You put two hands on that motherfucker. Alright. Don't get too violent with it, mess up the terminal, boy. Alright, y'all. So now we just gonna walk over here towards the back of the vehicle into the trunk, and we'll need a flathead screwdriver for this. What we'll do is we'll just go ahead and lift this up, remove this. Yep, excuse the junk in the trunk. Yeah, I know we gotta remove this piece right here. That's the whole reason why we need, here, grab this for me. That's the whole reason why we needed this flathead. So zoom in so they can see this. So we can pop this tab off like so. And also this other side. Alright. And now you can just basically pick it up, move it out the way, and this is the part that we're actually going to replace. This is called, don't laugh at me, alright? It's called YAW. YAW, YAW, something like that. YAW, y'all figure it out. So, looks like we're going to need a deep 10mm socket. While the boys get that, let me see if I can pinch this and wiggle this out somewhat. There we go. Hey, hold this for me. Thank you. There we go. They have tabs on both sides, okay? There's tabs on both sides, top and bottom. Uh-oh, there it is. All right, so now we just need to remove these two nuts right here. All right, turkey, move it over here, hold it. Oh, snap. Sound like I broke something, but I really didn't. It would have been a lot quicker, y'all, with an impact, real talk. But we're doing manual work today. It's manual Friday, I guess. But you can still get it done pretty quick. There it is, y'all. Now, I don't know what this residue stuff right here is, but we will be wiping all that down before we install our replacement. Back it up right here. Hey, big boy, give me a rag so I can wipe that down. Now, this is our new part. It came like this. Now, when I say new, it's not, obviously it's not brand spanking new. This is in this bubble wrap. But, it's new to us. Now, we did get a warranty with this, which was, you know, which was the main reason why I went on and jumped on it. But it is a used part, okay? We are not affiliated or, you know, nothing like that with the place, but the name of it is OEM Transmissions out of California. I forgot exactly where, but as you can see, I better not mess this up because I don't want to confuse myself. They're identical, pretty much. Okay, identical numbers and everything. So, we're going to check it out, yo. We'll be leaving the link in the description, so y'all check it out in case y'all want to, you know, try it out. Hopefully it works. This is the old one, right? Let's move that out the way, y'all, so I don't get totally confused. Let me wipe this down right quick. There's just a little dry rag I got. I don't really want to apply anything that will attract moisture or anything on here. All right, that's pretty much it. That's all. We'll go ahead and drop down the YAW. Okay. First nut. Second nut. Why you tapping me? Oh, my bad, y'all. Wasn't intending it like that, big boy. Alright. Go ahead and snuggle down right fast. That should be good. And as far as the pins, I should have showed y'all the pins, but I guess I could use this one. It only goes in one way, y'all. Y'all see that? So we're gonna have to go like this. We'll just go ahead and insert it. Positive click. There it is, big boy. With these push pin tabs, you want to just go ahead and extract them just a little bit. You do not have to completely pull them out or remove them. Just basically just enough like so. You just want to be able to pinch this lip closed or shut, and you really want to start off on these edges right here. Like so. Now on this side, and now all you have to do is push the whole thing down. Okay, there you go. Y'all saw it that time. Now this. Just push that back down. And that's how she wrote, y'all. Put your trunk cover back on, and we good to go. Let's go to the front right quick. We hope everybody's having a wonderful day out. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and drop that positive terminal in right quick. Here, hold this. And now for the negative. There it is. Beat it down a little bit. Uh-oh. Lost my socket, y'all. I would do something like that. I would lose my socket. It's down yonder. Boom, I got it, y'all, just like that. I don't know what that is, some dirt. You'll get your terminals in there real good. I just like to hit it with the butt of my handy dandy little screwy thingy. Feels good. There it is. Now, big boy, I'll put the cover on the battery box. We need to actually replace this one. It's not hanging that good like we would really like it. So we'll probably be getting a whole new one. And we also need to clean this engine bay. We'll be doing that soon. All right, let's walk on in here and see what it do, baby. Let's see what it do, baby. Y'all, cross y'all fingers, cause alright, let's see if we can reset it by holding the brake and turning the wheel to the left and holding it. Alright, let's turn it to the right. Alright, let's straighten it back out. It did not work for us, y'all. So we're gonna run the code reader on again and see what it do, baby. Alright. So apologize it didn't fix the issue, but that's just, you know, hey, it comes with the territory. We ain't saying we're gonna fix everything right away, but you know where that YAW is now. You know what I mean? We'll be leaving the information in the description below, so go check them out. Alright. Let me turn this off. Other than that, y'all, we're gonna try it again next time. So remember,
you can't fix it too.
Yeah, we didn't fix it, but you get the gist of it. Peace.